Hello guys, so the court has once again disagreed to grant Nnamdi Kanu a transfer away from Sokoto Prison. Don't forget that last year that Nnamdi Kanu was sentenced to life years imprisonment, and immediately after that pronouncement he was taken to Sokoto Prison, and to some people they saw this as a strategy to eliminate the IPOB leader. And after that, Nnamdi Kanu again made an appeal to be transferred away from Sokoto Prison, and few hours ago the court has once again ruled out its appeal on a transfer away from that place.
Justice James Omotosho of the Federal High Court Abuja has struck out an ex parte motion filed by the convicted leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, Nnamdi Kanu, seeking his transfer from the Sokoto Correctional Center. At the day's proceedings, the legal representative of Kanu, Demdu Hassan, who is a senior legal officer of the Legal Aid Council, informed the court that he wishes to withdraw from the matter, citing some irreconcilable differences. He also said that since the last adjourned date, he had been on constant phone communication with the relatives of the applicant. However, the relatives did not show up at their office to depose to that application despite phone calls and promises to show up. He also says that Mr. Kanu wanted to dictate the tune of the matter and control what counsel would say. He wants to write down what I would say while in court, but as an officer of the court, I cannot in good faith accept that. Mr. Demdu also said that he consulted with his superiors and they share the same sentiment, stating that as officers of the court, when a matter comes to them, they will handle the matter as they see fit, else the applicants can find legal help somewhere else. On that note, he also went further to invoke Order 50, Rule 1 of the Federal High Court rule, seeking to withdraw from the matter. In his ruling, Justice Omotosho commended the counsel for upholding the dignity of the court. He then held that having listened to the counsel from the legal and counsel, he will grant leave for him and the legal aid generally to withdraw from representing the defendant. He also says the motion was incompetent, and in the interest of justice and fairness, this court directed that other parties involved in the matter be served a notice. But since the last court sitting in December 8, 2025 until today, January the 27th, there has been no proof of service before the court. He then ordered the motion, an ex parte order, to strike out the case for lacking competence.
Inasmuch as a lot of us are aware that this man is unjustly being punished, but we can as well say that it is actually his people, the elites in the East, they are part of those that is making sure that this man does not get out of that prison. And also a few hours ago, we saw that the governor of Anambra State, the person of Professor Soludo, has once again shut down the Onitsha main market due to the refusal of the traders to come to work on Monday. This man has said over and over again that anytime that those traders refuse to come to work on Monday, that is going to extend their stay at home by 1 week.
I'm just from Oka. Everywhere is open. Government offices are open. Markets are open. And people are going about their businesses. Then you come down to Onitsha. Come down to main market. The once reputed market as the largest market in West Africa. Okay?
Yes, sir.
And it is, listen, I have just driven all the way from the junction with Ose to this place. Through much of Johnson, I've seen through Johnson, I've seen through Bright. And the shops locked up. I've peeped inside. A few persons here and there. Okay? Anyone who has not opened, for main market of all markets to be shut down I know that people have done this sit at home on Mondays for quite some time now. And as they say, you know, an abomination that lasts a year becomes culture. No. This can no longer go on in Anambra. Are you hearing me? And I will tell you this. You either decide that you want to trade here or you can go elsewhere. Are you hearing me?
Yes, sir.
This main market, if you don't want it open, I'll come and take bulldozer and level it. Are you hearing me? And I'm very, very serious about it. I'm not joking. Going forward, any Monday, any shop that is not open will be locked for 1 week. And let me tell you this. As I'm speaking to you now, when I finish this whole main market and all the adjoining these things will be locked down for the whole of this week. There will be no market anywhere here. Are you hearing me? Each Monday will come and inspect. If people are not in their respective shops, it will be shut down again. If you like, I don't mind shutting down main market for the remainder of this year. If you don't like it, go elsewhere and trade. But if you are here, we're not going to allow this. It's plain economic sabotage. And also we suspect whoever closes their shop to have some criminal intent.
Do you think that this strategy that the governor is using, do you think is going to help to cancel out the month they stay at home? Or do you think that this strategy that is applying will get things works for them? So guys, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel if you have not done so. I'll see you guys in my next video.